It is a very bright and sunny day, or a very bright and sunny afternoon. We are at 222 Wisconsin in Lake Forest. We're going to check up on the elevator here because it's been quite a few years since well, not that long, but it's been a few years since I've filmed here. Looks like it's still open. Cool, cool. Still open for the day. Everything looks about the same as it always has. I love this staircase here. All right. Yeah, it still has these weird buttons. It's a little under level. Yeah, it's hard to tell what brand this was. Probably a GNS. Yeah, probably a GNS. It barely lights up. It's got the DMG buttons. Something's beeping. Now it's not beeping. Weird. Yeah, my bets are on this being a GNS. These call buttons are wacky. They're like a weird version of ThyssenKrupp. That's what they are. How strange. This elevator is definitely a little wacky, but I like it. It's unique. And look at these holes. It's almost as if they wanted to put security cameras in there, but decided not to. There's one on that corner too. Before we go down, let's just get a look at the panel. DMG buttons. Older DMG. Anyway,